Welcome back with lots of beautiful sunshine. Today we have more of the same as we head into tomorrow. But by the end of the week, we'll certainly be milder. But you can see we have building rain chances into the weekend. And how it's going to play out, well, we'll just see. So let's take a look at that water vapor imagery, put it in motion here over the last 12 hours. And we see two pronounced systems, one upper level low. That's in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. That's what brought our soaking rains to the area Saturday. And a few isolated storms that produced hail yesterday afternoon under the cold tops, the colder atmosphere and layers of the atmosphere aloft that we usually see. So that's why we saw pea to marble size hail anywhere from Mawada through Indian Bayou, Kaplan, and other portions of Acadiana. But activity was isolated. Meanwhile, the big picture back to the west, this big storm system impacting the west. Atmospheric river started in the Pacific Northwest a few days ago, has been migrating southward. There have been areas in California that have received over 10 inches of rain so far. More on the way. Flash flood warnings continue, and then you have winter storm warnings once you get into the higher elevations of the Sierra Nevada range into the Rockies. In fact, Sierra Nevada still expecting another 3 to 5 feet of snow, and it's been snowing, and there's big snows building into portions of the Rockies as well. Meanwhile, for us now, it's a dry picture. The breeze out of the north, thanks to the pressure gradient as high pressure building in behind that low pressure system at the surface over by Florida. But that breeze will gradually diminish and move well out into the Gulf of Mexico overnight tonight. It's going to be chilly by morning. Temperatures lower 40s. These are always Lafayette numbers here, so it's going to be colder outlying areas. We'll detail that in just a bit. And then tomorrow, if you like today, lighter winds, lots of sunshine, and temperatures similar to this afternoon. We'll go about 66 for the projected high for tomorrow. Another cool one tomorrow night. We get down into the low to mid 40s, but with high pressure shifting off to the east, we're going to start to see a return flow out of the Gulf of Mexico Wednesday. So upper 60s, lower 70s will be possible. But wait, there's more warmth. It won't be as chilly as we head into Thursday morning. Temperatures closer to the 50s and then heading well into the 70s for Thursday afternoon. You see a few spotty showers developing Thursday. We'll see one or two, and then maybe a few more going into Friday as we look at the extended Euro here. And then we head into Friday evening, hopefully dry for the parade there. And then this weekend, there's going to be a round of scattered showers moving from south to north during the course of the day. We'll go 40% for right now. It's not going to be a washout, but then as we get into Saturday evening, a little bit dicier perhaps, and then Sunday for sure, we're going to see rain chances ramping up. We'll go 70-80% for Sunday, and this is when we could see a soaking. And if it all works out well, by Monday, we're high and dry, breezy, and cool. And as we head into Mardi Gras, it looks like sunshine, but chilly temperatures to start the day, maybe about 60 for the afternoon high. So tonight will favor upper 30s for the northern parishes, and with the wind, I wouldn't be worried about any frost for tomorrow morning. Lower 40s I-10 corridor, 43 in Lafayette, one of the milder spots, and low to mid 40s across the coastal parishes. Then a pretty nice warm up tomorrow, as we indicated. Temperatures getting into the middle 60s tomorrow afternoon, back down into the 40s we think for tomorrow night. Low to mid 40s, upper 30s northern parishes, and then here we go on Wednesday, pushing that 70-degree mark, and there's plenty more later this week. So overnight tonight, certainly a chilly February night, but pretty close to where we should be this time of year. Breezy though, so there's a wind chill factor mainly during the evening hours. Those winds diminishing later on tonight than for tomorrow. Beautiful day, 67 now, the computer projecting for the high, and we'll buy into that after at least seeing 66 degrees here this afternoon. And as we move into the 10-day forecast, a good-looking Wednesday, sunshine, spring-like indeed. Clouds, though, dominate Thursday through at least Sunday, with rain chances ramping up. Best rains on Sunday, and difficult to estimate how much rain we're going to have. The Euro is going a ½ inch to maybe an inch. The GFS is certainly wetter, so we could get another soaking in an El Nino winter, and a system that still has vestiges of an atmospheric river. We would bet on wetter for sure. Hopefully by Monday we're improving, and right now Mardi Gras is looking chilly. Some models going down as low as the upper 30s, though, for Tuesday morning, but reaching the upper 50s to lower 60s for Mardi Gras afternoon, and it looks relatively quiet for our Ash Wednesday as well. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.